This is a quick video on a new email template that we have. And with this email template, we are looking to sell disinfection services. Now, this can apply to a carpet cleaning company that's looking to add it, or a janitorial service that already provides disinfection services. And what the point of this specific email template is to not only offer your clients and leads disinfecting a whole building, but they may have specific needs in very specific areas. So, for instance, maybe they want to have the restrooms disinfected every week or every month, or and the offices only twice a year, or the cafeterias. Maybe the cafeterias, they have 20, 30, 50 people that eat in that cafeteria every day, and they want to have that done on a monthly basis. And here are some things that we can add: chairs, the fridge. Maybe they want to have the fridge. We've had a couple people ask about cleaning and disinfecting a inside and out of a fridge. Tables and chairs, of course. Another thing that not everybody thinks about is the ceiling vents because of the air. So that is another thing that people look up, and it's an eyesore. And the ceiling vent is ugly, so you can wipe them down, apply some disinfectant. That may be another angle, something else to mention. If somebody has respiratory type of problems, they might be aware of something like that, and they might pull that out. And that's what the whole purpose of this email template is looking to take your building's cleaning even higher. And we're not even going to mention anything about viruses or COVID or anything like that. This is something that businesses should already be doing anyways, is disinfecting their building on a rotation. A lot of in-house operations are having trouble finding people, or their cleaning staff is very short-staffed, or they might just have specific needs. They have people coming in from out of town, or a customer is going to visit. There's all kinds of reasons why businesses do things. It's not just how we think of things, but it's something internal to their operation. And that is why we want to offer different options. The restrooms, offices, cafeterias, lobbies, waiting rooms. There's a lot of different angles for us to use here, but the point is to do this and not just say I offer disinfection, but to be specific. And you can even end up running ads or using email templates just on each of these individuals if you really wanted to get detailed about this. But this is a new email template, and if you want to know more information about how to use it or where it's located in our system, just reach out to me.